Unahin nyo yung may malaking interest because these are the ones costing you the most money. Hello everyone, Ray here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome guys. Today we're going to discuss smart ways on how to pay off debt or mga utang and achieve financial freedom. By the way, before we head on, don't forget, meron tayong ongoing competition with the VU app. 2 weeks lang yun guys, so habol-habol tayo. You can check my previous video for more details. Step 1. Assess your debt. Gather all your bills and write down every single debt that you have. This includes credit card debt, personal loans, home loans, utang sa kapatid, kapitbahay, kamag-anak, and any other outstanding balances. Understanding the full extent of your debt is crucial. Step 2. Sort and prioritize your debts. Once you have a clear picture of your debts, prioritize them. Start by identifying the debts with interest, kung meron man. Unahin nyo yung may mga malaking interest because these are the ones that cost you the most money. Step 3. Create a budget. It's essential to take control of your finances. Track your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Meron akong ginawang previous video where I talked about how I track my income and expenses. You can check it over here. Use this to allocate savings towards your debt payments. Step 4. Increase your income. Look for opportunities to build your income. It could be taking a side hustle, freelancing, or selling some of your unused items. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified when I upload videos that could help you earn extra income. Itong extra income can be applied towards your debt payments, accelerating your progress. Step 5. Negotiate with creditors. Don't hesitate to negotiate with creditors for better payment terms. They may be willing to reduce interest rates, waive fees, or offer a more manageable repayment plan. It's worth exploring this option to ease your financial burden. Step 6. Stay motivated and seek support. Now, I don't mean uutang ka sa iba para makapagbayad ng mga debts mo to others. Paying off debts take time and dedication. Stay motivated by tracking your progress, setting milestones, and rewarding yourself along the way. Additionally, seek support from family, friends, or online communities to share your journey and gain valuable insights. Remember, it's not an overnight process, but with discipline and these strategies, you'll make significant progress towards your goal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more financial tips. To learn how to earn extra income without the need to change your everyday habits and routines just by shopping, check out these videos. Until next time, bye!